All right, so now that you're here, I want to talk to you about the opportunities I've created for you to take advantage of the latest methodologies in creating an impactful cybersecurity program in your organization. Now, to understand, implement, develop, and push out this methodology, there's a couple opportunities that I've created. So we're going to kind of walk through those in a step-by-step. So first is really just understanding the methodology itself, So the first thing and opportunity that I have for you is I created this book. It's called The Complete Guide to Building an Information Security Program. Here we have it in here. I can always plug it in on the page here. So this is really going to walk through the latest methodology that we've developed in creating that program for your organization. And it's not going to matter, if you already have a security program, you're aligned to a specific security framework. This methodology can align to any of those frameworks, any of the requirements, industries that you're in. It really can conform to what you need it to be. It's more of again, methodology that can map to all of these frameworks and structures. So, that's the first opportunity, is getting your hands on a copy of that book. It's available on Amazon, and you can actually learn the methodologies and start implementing some of those methodologies. The second opportunity I have for you is I've created a templatized copy of all of the documentation you'll need for your information security program. So I'm talking about your IT security policies, right? All of your IT security procedures, IT standard configuration guidelines. All of that documentation has been developed in a templatized format. So if you aren't using a security framework today, maybe you don't have security programs implemented, you're looking at different frameworks, these templates are built off the NIST CSF framework. I think we're on version 1.1 currently. And so those are really templatized off of that. Now you can use those templates and also just plug in any framework you want. So in all of those sections where it's really the NIST categories and subcategories or domains, you can really take the framework you would want to implement, use those templates, and then just plug and play all of those sections in there as all of these frameworks do map together. So that's really the second opportunity you can take advantage of. You can download the templates. Maybe you have a little bit of security experience, it's something you need to do, but you don't want to start from scratch. These templates are a great place to start. It's going to walk down and you're going to be able to customize them completely for what your organization needs. Now, my highest recommended and most revered opportunity that I have for you is a step-by-step guided course in developing an information security program. So this is really the whole kit and caboodle, everything with the kitchen sink that's going to take anybody, it doesn't matter if you have no security experience whatsoever. That's really, what it can be drilled down and guided for. All of the templates that I discussed are going to be provided as a part of the course, and it's really going to have you in a step-by-step process walk through documenting what's needed, what's required for your organization, no matter what requirements you're facing, be it for payment card information or personal identifiable information, health information, whatever it is. You're going to be able to meet all of those requirements by following this guided course and what those face security controls look like for your organization. So it's going to be step by step and walk through it. So if you have security experience, it's going to just make it much easier for you. If you have no security experience, it's going to be able to walk you through it. So in many cases, organizations maybe don't have a budget to bring in a consultant to build out a whole security program. I have actually walked into large organizations and charged them upward of $60,000, $70,000 for this program. And so I'm offering it for you here at a much discounted rate. I think we're sitting around $1,500 today, or just under that for this course, where you can do it at your own pace, at your own time, and still get that kind of consulting feel to be able to walk you through all your requirements and what's needed for that. So hopefully one of those opportunities is going to take advantage, you can take advantage of today, and that you can is going to assist you in developing a very impactful security program for your organization. If you need further assistance, we're always here to help at Cybersecurity Resource. You can always reach out to us if you really need some more hands-on or one-on-one assistance. But again, that course is going to be able to give you pretty much everything you need to include that kitchen sink, from those details to actually documenting and then implementing a information security program for your organization. So take advantage of that course, sign up for it today, or take advantage of one of these opportunities and start making your organization more secure.